What is a California wrongful death case? In California, a wrongful death normally involves a claim against a person or company who is legally responsible for the death of an individual. The claim is brought in a civil action, usually by close relatives, which are known as legal heirs, as provided by California statute. The death must have been caused in whole or in part by the defendant's wrongful conduct. The defendant can be negligent or act with intentional, willful, wanton, or reckless conduct in order to be liable to the heirs in a wrongful death case. However, in some instances, a party may be strictly liable for the death of another without the surviving heirs having to show any wrongdoing by the other party. The defendant must have been deemed negligent or strictly liable or wrongfully at fault for the victim's death before damages are awarded. In California, damages are available to the decedent's heirs, which include certain family members, for economic losses such as lost wages and benefits, medical and burial expenses, and also for the loss of love, society, affection, and companionship. Wrongful conduct by the responsible party that is intentional, willful, wanton, or reckless may also allow the surviving heirs of the decedent to also receive punitive damages from the responsible party, which are designed to punish the responsible party and help set an example to the general public to deter that type of wrongful conduct. The standard of proof in the United States on a wrongful death case is typically by a preponderance of the evidence as opposed to clear and convincing or beyond a reasonable doubt. Because proving a case beyond a preponderance of the evidence, the slight tipping of the scales, is usually easier than a criminal prosecution where the standard is beyond a reasonable doubt. Most wrongful death cases are handled in the civil courts system. In some instances, a civil and criminal case can both be filed at the same time in a wrongful death matter. For example, a person may be prosecuted criminally for causing a person's death, such as in a murder, manslaughter, or another criminally negligent homicide case. And that same person can also be sued civilly in a wrongful death action by the victims, by the surviving heirs. In civil wrongful death cases, most states have strict statute of limitations, which means that court proceedings must be properly commenced within a certain period of time after the incident, or the claimant, the heirs in a wrongful death case, will forever lose their rights to bring a claim. If you have a question about a wrongful death case, if your family is a victim in a wrongful death case, please feel free to give us a call. It would be our pleasure to answer your questions. If it's appropriate and you'd like to get us involved, it would be our pleasure to step in and put more than 2 decades of experience, resources, and reputation hard to work to do the very best that we can for your family. Please give us a call at 1-800-661-7044 with any questions you may have, or if you'd like to chat with us. You can also go to our website for more information, consumer resources, and additional contact information at www.jacksonwilson.com. Thank you for your time. We hope you found this video informative, and we look forward to meeting you and answering your questions. Take care. Bye-bye.